Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to download APK files on PC. For this we need an APK engine of some sort. It could be APK installer, BlueStacks, good old BlueStacks, or LDP player, which I'll be using to show you this method today. Type in LD player, go to the site and click download LD player. Well, I'm interested in version 5 for a 64-bit system. You might have a 32-bit system. Then choose the 32-bit version, they're more optimized. There's a smaller selection of APK files available. There. Now let's launch the installer. Yes, you can choose the path here. I'll install to the default path on the C drive. Click install, and at the same time I'll find an APK file, yeah. For this, I'll type YouTube APK. Right there, or any other APK file, yeah. You can find it, for example. There. It'll update to the latest version anyway through the network. There, so we wait for it. You can also do this through BlueStacks, yeah. It's the same thing. BlueStacks might even work better for some people. Open BlueStacks, download it, and you can also install the APK file, or rather the PK file. There. Wait for installation. So I installed it and restarted the computer. This is required, otherwise it won't work. Now click on Install APK here and select the APK file from your computer. After that, installation will start. It'll appear on your desktop and you can play or use the app. That's it. This was Valor. See you everyone.